guys, so today we're gonna be setting off some detectors, okay? Let's try fire with the smoke and fire. No, let's try to smoke. Let's try a fire detector first. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's done. So the fire detector, every time I test it, like burn the rim. Now we're gonna test the system sensor. No, okay, now see, it's activated, it's red, you can't really see it, but I can bring you to it and like see it's red, alright? Then we might try smoke with it, alright? I try some smoke with my little candle guy. Alright. Don't worry, it takes a minute. It takes a minute. Alright, see, it's red again. It's red again. I don't even need to prove it because okay. Now we're gonna activate our like media detector. I don't know what's it called. It's right there. Okay. Oh, it activated again. We don't want that. I blew on it so it wouldn't like activate again. Of course it activated again, but you know, who cares? But make it exciting. Activate it with some fire, you know, like why not? Frick. I burned it. Frick, I burned it. God, frick. That's a lot of smoke. Come on. Come on. Come on. I burned you. I'm sorry I burned you. There we go. Is it gonna turn off? Is it gonna turn off? Dude, is it gonna turn off? Bro. Kids, you should never do this, but I'm gonna disconnect it. I'm gonna disconnect it. It's not turning off. Bro. It's not turning off. I did it. I took it. You should never do that, but it didn't turn off, so.